Do you see the beauty and amazing cake? This cake is gluten-free and sugar-free. Sponsored by Norgerosa Pistachio. 300-gram carrots, 2 large apples, 250 grated as you see in the video. Added all to the kitchen process. Two eggs, 2 spoon honey or maple syrup, even 50 sugar, normal sugar, 1 cup. 1 cup yogurt, 250. Add pinch of cardamom, pinch of cinnamon, optional. You can use in this recipe millet flour, quinoa flour, or rice flour if you're not gluten-free. Use regular flour if you are not allergic to gluten. Then I add nuts, preferably walnuts. I had some cashews, so I decided to add them. And I preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Spread mixture evenly as you see and put it in. It takes exactly 30 minutes. Then I take out my cake as soon as it's done and insert a toothpick to make sure it's cooked. Let it cool down before serving. You can eat it plain without anything. You can add Nutella or pistachios like I did. You can add honey or nothing at all. It tastes wonderful and delightful without any additions. I added pistachios. Sponsored by Norgerosa, and soon, God willing, you'll find it in Egypt. First, it's palm oil free, very healthy and beneficial, also made from coconut sugar. Just cut it the way you want and give it the decoration you need. If you like the video, pray for mercy for my mother and father from your heart. Pray for our people in Gaza. May God support them and those who support them. On the channel, there are more than 120 gluten-free types. People with gluten sensitivity. There's millet, there's rice. There are expensive things and cheap things for everyone. You can make healthy gluten-free food for those with sensitivity. See you in the next videos. Leave a comment, please.